Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the bizarre world of cockroaches. Often perceived as repulsive pests, these creatures are, in truth, a marvel of nature. Get ready to be amazed by these 10 weird facts about these resilient creatures that have inhabited our planet since before the dinosaurs. The ability to survive seemingly fatal injuries is a hallmark of the cockroach. These resilient insects have fascinated scientists and laypeople alike for centuries. Their durability is not just a quirk of nature, but a testament to their evolutionary success. Believe it or not, these creatures can survive, even thrive, for a surprisingly long time without their heads. This astonishing fact has led to numerous studies aimed at understanding the underlying mechanisms that allow such resilience. While a human severed from its head would quickly perish, a cockroach can last for weeks. This stark contrast highlights the vast differences in biological complexity and survival strategies between humans and cockroaches. How is this possible, you ask? The answer lies in their unique physiology and simple yet effective nervous system. Their simple nervous system, distributed throughout their body, allows basic functions to continue. Unlike humans, whose vital functions are centralized in the brain, cockroaches have a decentralized system that can maintain essential activities even in the absence of their head. Ultimately, it is not the loss of their head that spells their end, but rather the inability to drink and the inevitable dehydration that follows. Without a mouth to consume water, they eventually succumb to the lack of hydration, marking the end of their incredible journey. Imagine holding your breath, not for a few seconds, not for a minute, but for 40 minutes. That's a feat that most humans could only dream of, yet it's a reality for the humble cockroach. These creatures have evolved a remarkable adaptation to survive in challenging environments. By regulating their breathing through small openings called spiracles, cockroaches can effectively shut down their respiratory system, conserving precious oxygen. This ability serves them well, particularly in flooded areas where they can remain submerged for extended periods, emerging unscathed when the waters recede. Our planet has witnessed dramatic transformations over millions of years, marked by cataclysmic events that have driven countless species to extinction. From the fiery eruptions of ancient volcanoes to the chilling advance and retreat of glaciers, Earth has been a stage for relentless change. Asteroid impacts have reshaped the landscape, causing mass extinctions and altering the course of evolution. These cataclysms have wiped out entire species, leaving only the most resilient to carry on. Yet, amidst these upheavals, the cockroach has endured. This small, often overlooked insect has managed to survive where many others have perished. Fossil evidence reveals that these creatures scurried beneath the feet of dinosaurs, witnessing the rise and fall of these prehistoric giants. Their secret? Remarkable adaptability. Cockroaches have been around for over 300 million years, a testament to their incredible resilience. They have seen the world change in ways we can scarcely imagine, from the age of dinosaurs to the ice ages and beyond. Cockroaches thrive in diverse environments, from the sweltering tropics to cooler temperate zones. They can be found in forests, deserts, and even urban areas, showcasing their ability to adapt to a wide range of habitats. This adaptability, coupled with their ability to survive on a wide range of food sources, has enabled them to weather the storms of time. Cockroaches can eat almost anything, from decaying organic matter to fresh food, making them incredibly versatile survivors. Emerging as unlikely victors in the face of planetary change, cockroaches have proven that sometimes the smallest creatures are the most resilient. Their story is a remarkable tale of survival, adaptation, and endurance, reminding us that life finds a way, even in the most challenging of circumstances. The nuclear nightmare. The destructive power of nuclear weapons is well documented, capable of obliterating entire cities and leaving behind a trail of devastation. The sheer magnitude of destruction is almost incomprehensible, with the immediate blast causing incineration and the subsequent fallout rendering areas uninhabitable for years, if not decades. The haunting images of mushroom clouds and leveled cities serve as a grim reminder of the catastrophic potential of these weapons. Yet, in the face of such unimaginable forces, the cockroach stands defiant. These small, seemingly insignificant creatures have an extraordinary ability to survive in conditions that would annihilate most forms of life. Their presence in post-apocalyptic landscapes is not just a testament to their resilience, but also a symbol of nature's tenacity. Their remarkable resilience to radiation is a testament to their evolutionary prowess. Scientists have long been fascinated by the cockroach's ability to endure environments saturated with radiation. This resilience is not just a random trait, but a result of millions of years of evolution, fine-tuning their biology to withstand extreme conditions. While high doses of radiation are undoubtedly lethal, cockroaches can withstand levels that would prove fatal to humans and many other creatures. Studies have shown that cockroaches can survive radiation doses up to 15 times higher than what a human can endure. This incredible tolerance is a subject of ongoing research, as scientists seek to understand the mechanisms behind their survival. Their secret lies in their slow cell division and the protective shield provided by their tough exoskeletons, both of which help to minimize radiation damage. The slow rate of cell division means fewer opportunities for radiation to cause lethal mutations, while their exoskeleton acts as a barrier, absorbing and deflecting harmful radiation. This combination of traits makes the cockroach one of nature's most formidable survivors in the face of nuclear catastrophe. Speed demons in miniature. Don't let their small size fool you. Cockroaches are incredibly fast creatures, especially when you consider their proportions. Relative to their size, they can outpace even the swiftest human sprinters. Their secret lies in their specialized leg muscles and unique leg structures, which allow for rapid acceleration and agile maneuvering. This incredible speed is crucial for their survival, enabling them to evade predators and quickly disappear into cracks and crevices, leaving their pursuers bewildered. A macabre feast. In the animal kingdom, survival often hinges on resourcefulness, even if it means resorting to cannibalism. Cockroaches, as resilient as they are no strangers to this grim practice. When food becomes scarce, these creatures will turn on each other, consuming their own kind to ensure the survival of the colony. While it may seem gruesome, this behavior is a testament to their adaptability and their unwavering instinct to survive, even in the most challenging circumstances. The icy grip of winter can spell doom for many creatures, sending them into a state of hibernation or worse. But the cockroach, ever the survivor, has found a way to cheat the cold. These remarkable insects produce natural antifreeze substances that course through their veins, protecting their cells from the damaging effects of freezing temperatures. While they may appear lifeless in the depths of winter, they are merely biding their time, awaiting the warmth of spring to re-emerge and continue their relentless cycle of life. A toast to the cockroach. It's a well-known secret among those who have battled cockroach infestations. These creatures have a peculiar fondness for beer. The sweet, yeasty aroma of this popular beverage proves irresistible to cockroaches, drawing them in like moths to a flame. This unusual attraction has led to the use of beer as bait in homemade cockroach traps, a testament to the lengths people will go to rid themselves of these persistent pests. A glimmer in the dark. Imagine a world where cockroaches glow in the dark. It may sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but for some species of cockroach, it's a reality. These creatures possess a remarkable ability known as bioluminescence, allowing them to emit a faint, ethereal glow. While the exact purpose of this glow is still debated among scientists, it is thought to serve as a defense mechanism, startling predators or attracting mates in the dark recesses of their natural habitats. The blood of an alien. We humans, along with many other animals, rely on the iron-rich hemoglobin in our blood to transport oxygen throughout our bodies, giving our blood its characteristic red color. Cockroaches, however, march to the beat of their own drum. Their blood, known as hemolymph, lacks hemoglobin, giving it a rather unsettling white or yellowish hue. This difference stems from their unique respiratory system, which utilizes spiracles to deliver oxygen directly to their tissues, bypassing the need for hemoglobin as an oxygen carrier. Until next time, which cockroach fact surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. If you love fascinating animal facts, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing videos. And don't forget to suggest other weird animals you'd like featured in future videos.